Hey guys, and we're doing a video on the limited edition LOL Surprise Bubbly Surprise. So here's the front, and here's the back. And I really love this metallic orange color, so let's get started. Now let's get this open. Just gonna open it. It says, hey, over here, unbox me. Me first. Alright, now let's take this over. Oh, I have the back plum face, so let's open this one. Now, let's open this one first. So, let's see, we got... we got like a little litter. See, so you got a little mermaid tail. So cool. Let's take this out. A mermaid tail. Put that over here. Next, oh, another pink one. Oh, we got a little bathing suit. Oops. Next one. Another one. So you got some pink little shoes. So cute. Another one. Let's see. Another swimsuit. Really cool. I really like this one. Here's another one. How do you get this open? Oh, here's a little bottom. Oh, and here's the top. It should be matching with the bottom. So this is what it looks like before I drop it in. So here we go. There goes fizzy. That looks really cool. Now I'm going to flip it over. As you guys can see, it's almost done. Now it's breaking apart. Now it's all done. I'm just going to pick it up and dry it off. This piece off. Now let's open this heart up. Oh, here it is. Here's all the 3 surprises. Over to the side. Let's open the small surprise first. Oh, we got a nice little bottle here. Here's the second surprise. Oh, we got a nice little pet. And here's our doll. Here she is. She looks really beautiful. I love her hair. So here her name is Captain Baby, and the little pet's name is Captain Kitty. So cool. So I'll be back once I get her dressed. So this is what she looks like. She looks really pretty. So thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm sorry you guys, I forgot to show the cat's outfit. It looks really cool. The tail.